Good morning everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great and welcome to this new video on XRP, which for the first time in a while we can actually be excited again. My voice is still a little bit not there, but hopefully you don't mind. But no, we actually got a lot of bullish momentum. I mean, we already saw it yesterday morning, basically after I uploaded my video, so people saw the videos and they bought. No, that's a joke, of course. But yesterday morning, XLM already started to perform very, very well. And then XRP actually lagged behind a bit. But ultimately, easily broke back above 2.2 right here, which we had not done in the morning. And that also, honestly, I did not expect this. I did not expect XRP and XLM to become this strong this soon. I mean, if you watch my videos, I always did say that I did expect this support level right here around $2 to hold. Or at least yesterday we said that, because we actually got some, even though at that time, like if you check the open interest, what we saw yesterday is only this white candle right here to the downside, right? But those were positions being opened. So we saw some positions being opened. Yesterday morning we also saw that we had broken back above the 200 EMA. We saw that Bitcoin's support level and Bitcoin's bottom so far, local bottom at least, was well defended. So what we said, I think, if we talk about yesterday and then we'll talk about today and the future, of course, in a moment. What we said, or at least what I said, is that it was most likely we would be able to consolidate down here, all right? So hold the support level and then eventually get back up, because I do think 2025 for XRP is still going to be bullish. But we gained much more momentum. Like a lot of altcoins actually did quite well, right? I mean, you can see Phantom, for example, doing quite well this morning as well. But yesterday it was very much, and I'm not sure if I can still see that. But yesterday it was very much like XLM and then XRP a little bit less. XLM has actually performed better even, which I'll cover as well this morning. So a lot of strength. I think that's deserved, especially, and we talked about this before as well. Especially with the Trump inauguration coming closer, XRP is one of the coins that is benefiting most off of that. So the big question is well, what's next? Well, first of all, I think this is amazing, and I think that's the market structure on the higher time frames at least is back into a solid consolidation. All right, and that is also what we were in kind of at the start of December into the middle of the December. We consolidated mostly here between 2.2 actually, and this resistance level around 2.6, 2.55. And then we kind of got worried with all the bearish pressure we have seen in the last 2 weeks, maybe even a little bit longer, that we could potentially drop down. First of all, we already gave up 2.15 and 2.2. That was bearish. And then we started to worry that we would drop down below $2 as well. And I think that $2 support level, at least, is now defended well and is kind of secured and is confirmed as the bottom of the range. Now, I think, look, this is bullish and this is great, but I do think this is still a very different structure than being bullish, right? Right now, if you take a look at Bitcoin, for example, everything is starting to look good, but it's not fully bullish yet. And I think the same is going on for XRP, all right? I do think the strength that we have seen is bullish enough to call this right here the bottom. But ultimately, if we want XRP to be bullish again, which is possible due to the Trump inauguration stuff, it is a possibility. But I think it's too early to say that. We still have a major resistance level right here. And for me to say that XRP is going to break out and is going to be bullish again, what I personally would need to see is that the volume goes up to, well, what shall we say? Volume goes up to at least like $15 or $20 billion. We need a lot of volume to actually break through, and I need a little bit stronger Bitcoin, all right? Or at least a Bitcoin that has been relatively strong for a longer period of time. So for now, I think it's most likely that the XRP will remain strong, but that we will also stay in this consolidation so that we can drop back down to 2.2, 2.15, which I think that will hold, and that ultimately will bounce around in this area until we have that volume and or the market circumstances to break out and get to new highs. And those are my thoughts. That's what I think is most likely on XRP right now. I will keep you updated on this, of course, but for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.